Closest ever boat I've seen, man. Look at how it's moving. Alfie. Number 8, Harbour Square. Oh. Why is it so cold, man? Why? This architect, man. He put the thing in, man, right next to this place. Put it on top of his house, man. Yes, man. How you doing? Ah, you can't go inside there, man. Block it. I know somebody, he's a crane driver, you know. Let's go. Skipper. Uber man, you're going too fast, man. We're gonna use it, man. Huh? Crane driver, man. I know somebody. Nigerian guy. He's a crane driver. I don't know which one of this crane, man, he works at. They pay him £28 per hour. Jesus Christ. That guy, man. He's loaded, man. Trust me. It's Canary's Wharf. Canary's Wharf, baby. It's Canary's Wharf. Building, construction. You wanna do construction, you come to Canary's Wharf, you'll see construction. No matter how the weather is, man, they're still working. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Raining, cold, miserable. You can't say that, man. It's too cold today, man. You know, I'm not gonna go walk. Somebody with a dog. They look like police, man. Are you guys police? Hello, girls. Security, they look like police, man. Dog, isn't it? Dog security guard. That bomber clad. When they see me on the bicycle, they'll tell me to stop, you know, to get off and walk. They see me stationary. That's why they don't bother me, you know. Cheeky fuckers. Alright. Idiots. Look at this throwing. Beautiful, man. Warning, construction site, traffic ahead. I'm not going to where I don't. What? Still building in it. Building. Building. No entry, not allowed. No entry, not allowed. Not allowed entry. Not allowed. Not allowed to enter there. Not allowed. Guys, welcome back to Canary'S 5 London on a part 2 tour of Canary's Wharf, the financial district of United Kingdom. Yeah, they make it like a family friendly as well. States. Building now, everywhere I have a building. Look at this one as well. Oh, I wonder why they pay my friend for £28 per hour. Look at how scary one this place is. Imagine man, you're on top of that thing there. Huh? Serious? Look at that. Look at that, the old construction here. This one here. Let me see in 3 months' time, you know, they're gonna finish it. Or less. Alright. The security barrier there. Let's have to walk a little bit. And let's have it walk a little bit. Go to my favorite place. You see this London, you know, all over the place. It's cold, boy. Why? Huh? It's like this, man, you know. I'm always thinking. Always thinking of Pattaya. Big boys. So cool, man. Right, it's so cool. Just have to manage, innit? It's so bloody cold. It's so bloody cold. Wow, look at that view, man. Beautiful. Ooh. My friend lived down there, O2. Guys, that's Billingsgate Market. Billingsgate Market down there. And you have to go to Arena down there. How cool is that? That's very cool. Hello, cameraman. I know you're watching, man. I'm also watching you. Oh, damn, man. Guys, man, I don't know where they manufacture glasses, man. Building is full of glasses, man. Billingsgate Market. All kind of fish, man, all over the world. This is where they come. You see these vans all over the place, man, where the security guard is. On the right side of your screen, right bottom. So this is the market down there, man. They offload it and they take it inside there. It's called Billingsgate Market. One day I'll go down there, you know. Well, I don't have appetite for them, man. When you go there, man, smell of fish. it will overwhelm me, you know, honestly. Canary'S Wharf. They even have cameras, man, right on top of the building. Jesus. Billingsgate Market. Jeez. So long, so big, man. Imagine from here. Up to there. God almighty. It's a big space, man. Guys, it's so cold, man. You wouldn't even believe it, man. How cold this place is. So cold, man. Yeah, it's East London. Yeah, that's the stadium somewhere down there, you know. You can't see it from here. I've never filmed here daytime, you know. This is my first time filming here daytime. I always come here nighttime. Night time, man, nobody can bother you, you know. Get up from the bicycle are not allowed here. All kind of nonsense, you know. Yeah. It's not too bad, man. Looks like you're in America, man. But no, you're in England. Don't tell me, man, they changed I'm probably doing lifting, you know, because this bike, I don't know where there is a bike. Yeah. Canary'S Wharf. Leave my bike down there. I'm not gonna have how to lift it. I'm gonna pause my video. I came through here, you know, with the bike. Pam 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 pam. I can't film with the bike, man. See, I don't know whether I can flip the camera. I still can't flip the camera. Guys, it's so cold, man. People can't even feel it. Why this security guard is smoking, man? Oh, where's my vape? Makes me remember my vape, you know? Oh, man. It's so cold, man. Oh, guys, look at this glass. Look at it. The third space. Huh? Leave that one little bit open, you know. Now it's time to hold on the bike again. Gonna go to the stairs. So in here. It's another place. There's a shopping center down there. Not just go. There's a shop, you know, down inside one of them ones. It's one. Ah, it's here. You go inside. That's it. You can see it. Go inside, you can do your shopping down there. Ta-da, ta-da. Cameras everywhere, eyes everywhere. I'm not going down there, man. It's so hard with the bike. That's Billingsgate Market. Yeah, that's a restaurant down there. Pagola. Look at that. But this bike is here. But they'll tell you not to ride it, you know, in. How stupid is it? You put your bike down and you're telling people not to ride it. Nice. I'm not gonna be staying here that long, you know. It's so cold, man. That building, boy. Put a heart on top of it. The building got a heart. Yeah. Oh boy. Oh boy.